Hey friends, look at these beautiful coasters that I made today. These are a Craft Club kit from Magnolia Design Co. And my affiliate link will be below this video, so be sure and check that out if you're interested. But the kit comes with everything needed to make 4 coasters, even the sealing cream to seal it all in there and make them kind of waterproof to be good coasters in case they get wet. But here are the coasters and the cork bottoms, and these are the beautiful rub-on transfers. There's 4 of them, and you can even buy these rub-on transfers separately. So if you didn't want the entire kit and you just wanted the rub-on transfers, these birds for another project, you can do that. In fact, I got this done today and they are stunning. I'm going to purchase at least one more of just the rub-on transfers for other projects because they are gorgeous. Here's the little packet of sealing cream, or kind of a liquid you do on the very end. But see, you just peel off the backing paper, and the coaster has a sticky side, and you adhere it to the coaster part. It's kind of a, I don't know if it's not really wood, it's kind of a resin, kind of a plastic type feel to it, but it's perfect. And so you can see how quick and easy this is. Super fun, super easy. And you have to be very careful because they are very sticky, so you have to be careful to get it right the first time. So you just take off the backing paper of the transfer, and it comes with it. And I decided to lay it front side down and then use my coaster upside down and press it on there that way. You can do it however you want, but I thought I could see it a little bit better that way to make sure I got it on there straight. And this is the little rubbing card that it comes with, and you just press that onto the coaster all over, getting the edges and corners really well too. And I found that it was a little tricky to get it started, but once it starts, then it's super easy and it peels off really nice. The coaster is actually rounded, has a rounded corner, whereas the rub-on transfer is a square corner. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it does. And so it was a little tricky getting that corner started. But once you get it started, you just keep pressing it and slowly peel up that plastic, as you can see me doing here now. And if you see part of the transfer coming up, you just kind of lay it back down and keep rubbing it, and it just stays down nicely. And I went extra price lower than I needed to go. I just wanted it to make sure it's stuck on there really nice. And if there's any that hangs over the edge, you just kind of press that down all along the edge there. And there's our coaster. And so I'm going to do that with all 4 of them. And I'm showing you them now. Got them all taken care of, and they're beautiful. So now I'm just kind of mixing up that liquid, and then there's little directions on the back, and there's a little slot that shows you where to tear it. And it comes with that little foam brush as well. And so you just put a little bit in the middle and then spread it all out to the corners and the edges. And just get nice smooth strokes so you don't see any lines once it dries. And get the edges too, where part of the transfer kind of moves over or goes over the edge a little bit. And be sure and get a little protection on the sides too. So here I've got all 4 of them covered, and I've got about half my liquid sealing stuff left, half a packet, so I'm going to save that until this is fully dried. So I give it a good start with my heat tool, but this does take longer to thoroughly dry than like Mod Podge or something like that. So I give it a good start with my heating tool, and then I set them on the floor on a paper towel next to my little fan, and that dried them quickly. And then I gave a second coat with that sealing. And here they are. They're stunning. They're beautiful. Here's the little tray. It comes with that little metal tray too. So again, be sure and check out the affiliate links below. Thanks for watching. You have a whimsical day.